Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate your Hey Google option into ALCATEL 3T10. First of all, open your Google application. Next up, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose Settings. Here go into Google Assistant and in this menu find Hey Google and Voice Match option. And now tap here on this feature to activate your Hey Google. Now need to give access to your assistant, tap Next and I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use, tap Continue. And not now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.